if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm Priya Chaudhary and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Amazon obsession. Now, people who know me know that I'm a vivid shopper, especially when it comes to Amazon. So आज मैं लेके आई हूँ आप सबके लिए 5 ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स जो हर लड़की के पास होने चाहिए. लाइक आपकी लाइफ सॉर्टेड हो जाएगी गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी. एंड बिकॉज ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स अमेजोन के हैं, सो आई बी पुटिंग द लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, सो डू चेक इट आउट. The first product that I have with me is this ice roller. इसमें से अभी पानी निकल रहा है क्योंकि मैं इसको अभी फ्रिज से निकाल के लाई हूँ. वी ऑल नो कि फेस पे आइसिंग करने के कितने सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं एंड having this ice roller makes all the things a lot more easier. Icing is actually very important skincare routine because as far as I know it tightens your face and you won't even have wrinkles. आप ना कभी आइसिंग करने के बाद मेकअप करके देखना, you will know the difference in comparison to बिना आइसिंग के मेकअप. इसका जो ये कवर है ये सिलिकॉन का बना है, so it makes it very easier to carry it in your bags while you're traveling. And this product is actually very cheap. Like I just got it for 139 rupees. So it's pretty cheap and affordable. You can use it in the daytime. सुबह उठने के बाद आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. रात को सोने से पहले you can use it. It actually helps in reducing the puffiness. So yeah, 10 on 10 product. So next up we have the second product, which is this Chemist Play underarm roller. Best part about this product is that it's alcohol free. So इससे पहले मैंने जितने भी products use किए थे underarm rollers, most of them used to have alcohol and alcohol actually darkens your underarm. So I discontinued using them and I switched to this one, and trust me guys, this is one of the best underarm rollers I have ever used. I'll just show you. थोड़ा लगा के. Yeah, I am a fruity fragrance lover, so most of the alcohol based rollers जो पहले मैं यूज़ करती थी, they were never long lasting. I think लगाने के 1 घंटे या 2 घंटे बाद उसका इफ़ेक्ट ख़त्म हो जाता था. बट दिस वन इट स्टेज फॉर लाइक गुड 6 to 7 hours. दिस वन इज़ फॉर ₹259 एंड इसका लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी, सो यू कैन चेक दिस आउट. सो द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट दैट वी हैव इज़ अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोडक्ट. इट इज़ दिस वन. इट्स अ मिनी रेज़र. वीनस का ये मिनी रेज़र है. इट कम्स इन दिस वेरी छोटू सा बॉक्स, लाइक very cute, and इसका razor और blade दोनों अलग आता है, so you'll have to attach. The best part about this razor again is that it's travel friendly. Like you can carry it anywhere. इस केस में आप इसको डाल दो, कोई water spillage का issue नहीं होगा. Easily you can carry it in your bags. There are 2 soap bars on both the sides. Most of the times when we are carrying these razors, we require shaving gel या फिर कोई soap or anything. The best part is you do not have to carry any shaving gel or something, because automatically when these soaps come in contact with water, it produces foam and you're good to go. The hair removal process gets a lot more easier. So yeah, a 10 on 10 product, highly recommend. And this one costed me around 239. It was actually for 339. I got an off on this one, so 239. Okay, so the next product that we have are the stick-ons. Many a times when we are wearing these deep neck tops, blouse or dresses, it becomes very tricky to choose what to wear inside. So stick-ons to the rescue. It is actually very useful. Like if you haven't got one, you should definitely plan on buying one. अभी भी मैंने लगाया हुआ है and ever since I've got this, my life has become so easier. ज़्यादातर टॉप्स के अंदर I choose to wear these and it is actually very convenient to use again for travel purposes, because it comes with this zip case. You can just store this inside your zip pouch and carry it along inside your bag and you're good to go. This one costed me around 199 rupees. So yeah, pretty affordable and a highly recommended product. Coming to our last 5th product. Now this one is a fashion tape and it is one of the most essential things that should be in your closet. I'm not kidding guys, like you're definitely missing out a lot in life if you haven't started using this. I mean, for years I have struggled with minor alterations and fitting. I used to keep those clothes aside because it didn't fit me the way I want. until I found this fashion tape. Now इसको मैं काफ़ी तरीके से यूज़ करती हूँ, not just with my clothes but also for my accessories, and it is pretty easy to use as well. Like you get these strips. I'll just show you one. ये कुछ इस टाइप का आता है. So it is basically in the concept of double-sided tape. So you remove both sides of the paper and then you put it on the place where you want to apply this. You can even use this for fixing your accessories. जहाँ पे भी आपको fix करनी है चीज़ें, you can absolutely use this. A 10 on 10 product. I got this but super cheap. This is for just rupees 149 and I guess you get 36 strips like this. So pretty amazing 10 on 10 product, highly recommended. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.